The Tonka steel bulldozer is ready to demolish and clear away anything in its path. Move dirt, sand and gravel with the workable blade and take control of any job site. This bulldozer is built Tonka tough with real steel. Official Tonka spokesperson Shaquille O'Neal will be the voice and face of the brand, encouraging kids to get active with a mantra of "Let's go play." Appropriate for ages 3 years and up. FFP, Amazon certified frustration-free packaging, is recyclable and comes without excess packaging materials. Brand Tonka. Toy vehicle form construction vehicle. Material: alloy steel. Color yellow, black. Age range description: 3 years and older.